Hey everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Here I wanted to mention that we invite you to the Los Angeles County Real Estate Investors Association. It's a foreclosure forum, how to find and buy foreclosed properties. So here you'll be able to understand the note and the deed of trust, the difference between judicial and non-judicial foreclosure, where to find foreclosures, structuring the deal, negotiating with the property owner, negotiating with the lender, buy at the trustee's sale, and buying REOs. This will be on Saturday, August 5th, and it'll go from 9 to 5. Here at the Iman Cultural Center. It's the Los Angeles Real Estate Investors Association presenting this. All right, comment, like, share, subscribe. Talk to you soon. Come to the Foreclosure Forum.